Welcome to educational channel. So in this video I'll explain this complete model test paper 1 for class 10 ICSE mathematics. And before seeing all the sums in this paper, let me show you the topic wise approximate allocation of marks also. So these all the papers you can download from the link which I am providing in description below, and from the website you can see the down. So from there you can find all these papers. Okay, and here you can see the website. So the same website you can provide the link in description below also. So from there you can download all these question papers, right? Now let us see this paper. So this allocation of marks topic wise in this model test paper 1. So commercial arithmetic you have 10 marks from banking and shares and dividend. Algebra is around 36 marks this paper. Coordinate geometry is 11 and geometry mensuration is 23. Trigonometry is 11 and statistics is 19. So this is to get idea about the paper, how the marks are coming from each topic. Right. Let's start the problems from this paper now. So first question, first one is A. Solve the quadratic equation in X and give your answer correct to two decimal places. So this is the quadratic equation. 5x into x plus 2 is equal to 3. By simplifying this, we need to find out the value of x correct to two decimal places. That means you need to apply the formula of quadratic equation. Solving quadratic equation formula you can apply now. So let's take the given data in this first A. So that is 5x into x plus 2 is equals to 3. So from this one you can simplify. 5x square plus 5x into 2 is 10x is equals to 3. That is minus 3 is equal to 0. So here x square coefficient is a. So that is a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 10. C is equal to constant, that is minus 3. Now using the formula of this quadratic equation, if you apply that, so x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this is the formula you will apply. Just substituting all these values, you get the x value minus 10 because b is the 10, only formula minus is there, and plus or minus b square, 10 square is 100 minus 4ac, so 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 3 60, so minus to minus plus 60. Just substituting values and simplifying by 2a, so 2 into 5 is 10. So from this minus 10 plus or minus square root of 160, 100 plus 60 is 160 by 10. We can simplify more up to two decimal places. So minus 10 plus or minus square root of 160 you can write. So 4 into 16 into 10. Okay, next we can write root 16 is 4. So that is minus 10 plus or minus 4 root 10 by 10 itself. Then we can apply the root 10 value. So square root of 10 is 3.162. You can substitute directly. Minus 10 plus or minus 4 into 3.162. So you can use long division method or remember the values. By 10. We will take once plus and we'll take minus. Then x is equals to minus 10 plus we will take once. 4 into 3.162 is 12. That is 648. Once you take plus or minus 10 minus 12.648 divided by 10. Take plus and minus separately. Then minus 12 plus 12.648 is, by simplifying this, 2.648 divided by 10, right? Or these both are minus, so minus 22.648 divided by 10. Then from this you can add the answer. So this is a 0.2648, or this is minus same 22 means point, you can take this side. So minus 2.2648. Correct to two decimal places. Then we can write 0.2648 2 7 because after 6 2 6 4 8. 8 means it becomes 5, 5 means it becomes 7. 2 6 4 8 is 0.27 or minus 2.2648 is same to 7. So round, making rounding, so up to 2 decimal places. So 0.27 or minus 2.27 are the values of x. Okay. Just only the important thing is we need to this using this formula and substituting a, b, c values in this and simplifying. Right. Now let's see the next one. Find the ratio in which the line joining a minus 4 comma 2 b 8 comma minus 6 is divided by y is equal to minus 2. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Okay, so let's take this one. You draw the line, two lines. So one line is y is equals to minus 2 and one more you can take the point. So this is a y is equals to minus 2. So this is the equation of this line and a is equals to, so one point is a minus 4 comma 2 and other point is b, that is given 8 comma minus 6. These are the given and we need to find out the ratio. So let ratio be k is to 1. So any questions are like this, you can take let ratio be k is to 1. That means this you can take k this one. So dividing in the k is to 1 ratio. Now when you apply the formula, the point P, so where it's joining, the point is given, divided by y is equal to minus 2. So y value is minus 2. Y value is minus 2 means the x value is take some a and minus 2. Then you can coordinates of the point P. So if you apply the formula, the P of x comma y is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. M and n are the ratio. Okay, this is m and this n. And it is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Instead of confusing, you just write and substitute in this formula. my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Right? So in this you can substitute. Then that is, so I am writing m is m and is a m is k and n is 1 and x1 y1 x2 y2 these are the points. Then this becomes 8k minus 4 by k plus 1 and minus 6k plus 2 by k plus 1 and the point is a comma minus 2. So this is the point is a. Now we can equate this corresponding elements. If we can make it this minus 2 and this 2 we can equate because first one is equal to first one, but we know the value of minus 2 here. Then you can find the value of k easily. So you can take that and by taking this minus 2 is equals to, okay, minus 2 you can take it to that value. Then minus 2 is equals to minus 6k plus 2 by k plus 1. So take the left side and simplify. Then that is minus 2k minus 2 is equal to minus 6k plus 2. Just to solve this, take values one side, minus 6k take this side, minus 2 plus 6 is 4k and 4. So k is equals to 1. If you know the k value is 1, then next coordinate of the p. Of p, then I take it as a, that is same 8 minus 4 by 2. 4 by 2. Just substitute in this value. Right? Here is the value is right. 8k minus 4 by k plus 1. So in that we can substitute. K is already 1. 8k minus 4 by 2 is 4 by 2 is equals to 2. Then point P is 2 comma minus 2. So x value is 2 and already y value y is equal to minus 2 is given. So y is equals to minus 2. That means P is 2 comma minus 2. Right, find the coordinates of the point of division. So answer is 2 comma minus 2. Next, now this is a shares and dividend problem. A man invests 20,000 rupees 20,020 in buying shares of nominal value is 26 at 10% premium. So nominal value is 26 and market value is 10% extra than this. And the dividend of shares is 15%. Then calculate number of shares, dividend annually, and rate of interest he gets on his money. So we'll take the given data and we'll solve this. According to the given, the total investment is given. Total investment is given, that is equals to rupees 20,020. So that's given, and nominal value is rupees 26. Nominal value of one share is rupees 26, that is given, and premium is 10%, right? So premium is equals to 10%. That means we can find out the market value. So market value is 26 plus premium, we should add 10% of 26. So 26 plus 10 by 100 into 26. Then that is 26 plus 0 cancel. 26 by 10 is 2.6. Then 28.6. Right, that you can write 286 by 10 also. If you want to convert into fractions, 286 by 10. So 143 by 5. You can write this. You can use for calculations next step. That's why I convert into fractions. So market value is this. Now number of shares. The first question is number of shares. So number of shares formula is total investment by market value of one share. So total investment by market value of one share. Total investment is 20,020 by market value is 143 by 5. Then you can take and simplify. This is 20,020 into 5 by 143. Just calculation if you do, you get 700. 143 can cancel in this. 700 is number of shares, and dividend is 15%. Dividend is given, that is 15%. Then always dividend is calculated on nominal value. Therefore income from one share. So income from one share. So 15% of nominal value. So that is 26. That means 15 by 100 into 26. Okay, this is 39 by 10. Just to give cancellations. 320. Okay, 13, 10. 13 is 39 by 10, right? Now total dividend. This is income from one share. Then you can find out the total dividend. So total dividend is nothing but that 39 by 10. That is income from one share into total number of shares is 700. So that is 2,730. Okay, 39 into 70 is 2730. This is total dividend. Now we can find out the rate of interest is simple. So rate of interest also you need to find out from this. Then rate of interest is equals to income from one share by market value into 100. Okay, formula. Income from one share by market value into 100. So income from one share is, we have 39 by 10 by market value is, we have already 140 here, 143 by 5. That is divided by 143 by 5. Then you can reciprocal, it is 5 by 143. So into 100. 0 0 get cancelled, and this calculation if you do and simplify you get 150 by 11. Okay, you can cancel this, just normal cancellation do. 150 by 11, here 1, just multiply this both and you can cancel this. Then that is approximately 150 by 11 is 13.64%. Okay, so each and every calculation I am showing here, just giving direct answers, you can verify that. And rate of interest is 13.64. So this is about question number 1, shares and dividend. Then we can continue the problems in question number 2 and solve it.